On May 31st is the wedding anniversary of my father and my mother. Both are already passed away. Pero itong 31 is also important to me because it is the birthday of my daughter, si Mayor Sara. And Inday, alam ng ni nanay niya. When I was cuddling the baby, kasi Bisaya ako, I said I'd call her Inday, and she will be a mayor of Davao City. But I'm also the mayor. Tama. Only that ako dyan sa kanya. So, Day, be true to your country, work hard for the people. And the rewards, as I think maybe they're made in heaven, not here. Trabaho ka lang and be good. Happy birthday. I love you.